How much does AdSense pay per 1000 view? Okay. Regular $0.2 by $0.5 per 1000 view. Although it depends on many factors including the content of your site, location of your user time on site, and device breakdown. User on AdSense revenue calculator above to find out how much we could earn money your website. How does revenue calculate? AdSense per click or per revenue? Per revenue is calculate a click-through rate cost. Per click number of impression 1000 per impression revenue is calculate cost per mail CPM impression. Use our AdSense revenue calculator above to find out how much you could earn your site. Which country are based from AdSense? Luxembourg, United States, Australia. Australia, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Sweden, Iceland, Denmark, Singapore, etc. Book your free expert conclusion. Let our expert access how Singup can increase your ad revenue.